Да, мы делаем это. Ну кто начал? Кто ударил по мосту, по Крымскому?
Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. It all started with my little invasion I attempted back in February 2022.
Проведение специальной военной операции.
Seemed like a good idea at the time. I mean, they were major underdogs, right? I mean, we had like 200k soldiers ready to strike, and my friend Lukashenko owned me a favor from 2020 because of some technical issues with the election. So he kindly let me use the territory of Belarus to invade Ukraine from the north and go straight for Kyiv. Our attempts to demilitarize Ukraine did not go the way I thought it would. I couldn't believe it, but it turns out they don't like an imperialistic dictator invading a neighboring country and waging a genocidal war against them.
Возьмите семечки, положите сырые, чтобы хоть подсолнухи росли, когда вы здесь ляжете.
I mean, we've been doing this for decades. We're basically ISIS on steroids. Anyway, long story short, an army of around 200k soldiers storm Ukraine. Elite Spetsnaz, conscripts, Ivan, that, we even send Steven Seagal. But the Ukrainians went nuts on us. Hostomel Airport, smash. Chernobyevka Airport, smash. Our attempt to take Kyiv, smash.
Smash, smash, smash!
It was like watching Rocky beat up Ivan Drago all over again. Losing Kharkiv region in 3 days is even worse. 3 days. Anyway, we send reinforcements to Kharkiv to stop Ukrainian advance, and bam! Now we have to retreat from Kherson City. Unbelievable. Good that I have this wannabe Dr. Evil and the drunken samurai to deliver the bad message.
Приступайте к отводу войск.
Satanists, witchcraft, biological weapons, AliExpress robots, we somehow spin it and move on. But nothing is working.
Контракты когда будут? Я вот о чем говорю.
The Wanker Group, excuse me, the Wagner Group is wanking in Bakhmut for 9 months, but can't finish the job.
Fucking embarrassed.
Kadyrov is rumored to have bloated into a spy balloon and launched himself into the stratosphere, while Lavrov is doing stand-up comedy in India.
Trying to stop the war, and which was launched against us using the Ukrainian people, influenced.
I heard it was a big hit, almost as big as the one Lukashenko did.
Ну, максимум 3-4 дня. Ну, максимум 3-4.
Really, 3-4 days? We ended up being Ukraine's #1 supplier of weapons. But don't worry, because...
Это не будет нам мешать выполнять боевые задачи.
Or at least that's what I thought when I was drunk. Now I'm just looking for a way out of this conflict.
Like, the way out of this conflict is for Russia to leave Ukraine. That's the way out of the conflict. Thank you.